Constitution. The first weakness is partial independence, and right from the beginning of this class, I emphasized on the fact that although we could say Nigeria gained independence on the 1st of October 1960, we cannot say that the independence Nigeria gained was total independence. It was partial. The independence of 1960 was a partial one because it did not bring total sovereignty to the state. The Queen was still the head of state, so it was not total. Another weakness of the Independence Constitution was the final court of appeal. Although there was the highest court in the country, in Nigeria, which was the Supreme Court, yet the Supreme Court had no power over appellate cases. Nigerians could only appeal to the Judicial Committee of the Privy Council in London. So, although the Supreme Court was the highest court in Nigeria, it had no power over the appellate cases. The Nigerians could only appeal to the Judicial Committee of the Privy Council in London. Another weakness of the Independence Constitution is some elements of interference. There was possibility of Britain still interfering in the internal affairs of the country as long as the Queen remained the head of state. So there was possibility that Britain could still interfere in the internal affairs of the country since the Queen still remained the head of the state. And with this, we've come to the end of this class. In the course of this class, we simply looked at some of the weaknesses of the Independence Constitution, which were partial independence, the fact that although the Supreme Court was the highest court in the nation, Nigerians could only appeal to the Judicial Committee of the Privy Council in London. We also looked at the fact that there could still be some elements of interference since the Queen was still the head of state in Nigeria. And with this, we've come to the end of this class, and I'll see you at the next class.